Welcome to Billionaire. It's 8th of November 2022. We couldn't record video on last Saturday and Sunday, so we are doing the analysis today and we'll try to analyze what is going to happen in Nifty for next 2 to 3 days. So there is a 3-day session left today due to the Guru Nanak Jayanti. It was a market holiday. So in last week, we expected Nifty not to cross 18,096 swing, but Nifty did cross that and it is now trading around 18,200. So our view pretty much was invalidated. We discussed a couple of charts. We'll discuss those charts first. So these were the charts that we discussed. So we were expecting Nifty not to cross 18,030. So we were expecting a rally towards this from 17,800. But yeah, we were not expecting it to cross 18,030. So this is the chart that we plotted from long time ago. From break of 17,430 itself, we were saying that we are heading towards 17,900 to 18,050. Nifty has went even beyond that. So this was the area where it broken out of this 17,430 range and it told us that we are heading higher. So our view of upside till 18,000 was valid. We were not expecting 18,096 to be broken, but it has broken now. So we'll check what are the next possibilities. So these three charts that we discussed, which were with a complex correction or a flat correction, are now sort of invalidated in the sense that this move is having a different wave count and this is not yet clear. So we'll talk them. So let's delete these charts and we'll first talk about indicators. So we'll do the indicators based analysis first. So indicators are highly bullish, short-term moving averages and long-term moving averages. Nifty is trading all above them. So this is the 13 EMA, which is short-term moving average. So currently Nifty is above that. We talked about this since this area itself, 17,430 break itself, that Nifty is trading above all the key moving averages. And last week also we mentioned Aron is showing the extreme bullish trading. So is the RSI because it was trading above 50 plus range. So Aron indicators is still in a extreme bullish zone. So until this Aron remains in a bullish territory, there is a high chance that it will break even 18,604. So for now, for us, the major resistance is 18,340. This is what the major resistance is for us. 18,200, I think most likely it has been taken out. So 18,300 to 340 is the next swing that we need to see in the next few days. So Nifty, if it has to go up, this is the swing that we need to remember, 18,300 to 350. And after that, we have a main swing of 18,600, which is our all-time high as of now. Okay, if this is broken, then the entire this trend is broken out. As of now, as it has already broken 18,100, the trend line is already broken. This trend line, if you draw here, it has already been broken as this swing has been taken out. So it's still bullish. There are no bearish signal here. So let's check Elliott Wave and understand what is happening. So with Elliott Wave, we gave a view earlier that we could be making a complex correction. And this is the top of Nifty, 18,604, where we have completed wave 1 and wave 2 could be still in progress and we could make one more low between 15,000 to 14,300. That's what our view said. And we also discussed our long-term targets on the Nifty. So you can watch that video. I'll add the link above. So as long as 18,604 is not taken out, there is still chance of dropping towards 15,000. So that's what we said. So after this, we should be becoming bullish. So we have to wait for that. Don't worry, because this consolidation lasted almost 1 year and you are not losing anything by waiting for some more time until 18,604 is broken. So I'm at least keeping that view in mind and moving forward with the same approach itself, that this is some sort of complex correction which could still be in progress, and this could be expanded flat A, where A is here and B has broken the start of A wave, and this could be wave B, and then we could have one more wave C, which will be a 5-wave sequence going on the downside. So this is still a possibility, and I'm keeping this in my back of mind until it is not able to break 18,600. So we'll check a couple of pivot points Okay, so let's move to the chart, and here you can see I will not show you the clear charts, clear wave counts from this point onwards, because we don't have any clear wave count. At least I am not able to plot exact clear wave count. There are some random moves that has happened here. Okay, that is troubling me to identify a correct wave count. So we discussed a couple of them. This could be ABC, or this could be W, X, and then A, B, C. Like this, it can be a correction. So for now, you can remember that the price was trading in an upward channel, and slowly it is starting to go on the sideways. Okay, so this is one signal that the trend could be weakening, and there is a potential divergence on 15-minute chart or hourly chart of Nifty. So this is hourly chart, by the way. Okay, so hourly chart, if it crosses here, if it breaks one of the last sessions low, so then there could be a chance that we will get a negative crossover here. Okay, that will mean that this is the top and this is the second top, right? It is going higher, MACD is going lower. So that could be the signal that the drop could be starting. So these are the two signals that we need to look for. So the last session's low 18,064 is another pivot which we can use to consider that there could be a potential dip coming in. Okay, so the price is going sideways. This is three-wave structure, and this could be an impulse structure, which could be wave C, or it could be W, X, and Y. Okay, so these things are still there even if it has broken this high. So 18,300 is upside level if you need to look for. But here we can see that it could be trading in a sideways market. Okay, so on the Friday itself, Friday, on Monday itself, it has given a pullback from 0.6 Fibonacci. Let me zoom in the chart. So we discussed even the importance of Fibonacci numbers as well. So here you can see it has taken support near 18,072. This was the trend line that I had drawn, and here you can see there are multiple support points. So until this point is not broken, the trend line is not broken. So trend line came like price came down here, but then again sharply gave the bounce back. So there are possible chances that 2 to 3 swings pending here like this. It can give 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. It can give swings and 5. So we need to watch for. So whenever the price comes as a towards this trend line, we should plot Fibonacci on these 2 points and to try to find out the 0.6 Fibonacci here. So price will again go up. So this as of now could be looking as an ending diagonal structure. As of now, this is not confirmed. We need to complete 3 and 4, then we can forecast that this is an ending diagonal structure and it will retrace to the start of its structure. So then it can be wave A, B, C here, wave 1, 2 here, 3 and 4 could already have finished, and 5th is in progress. So if the drop starts from this point onwards, then we can look for the dip towards this point. So this point somewhere coming around 17,600. So this is the bare minimum drop that we can expect in a 3 to 4 sessions. So next 2 sessions are challenging and it will be a zigzag. This is how I'm reading the Nifty's move. So again, 17,300 is a major resistance. So we need to look out for that resistance. Let's switch to the option chain. On option chain, we have obviously 18,000 has now become the major support with 87 lakh put open interest, which is the biggest number on the put side. So this is the major support. Break of this support will drop 200 to 300 points on the downside. So same thing we discussed in the last video, that 18,000 break will take us higher towards 18,200 to 300 levels. So same thing is happening. Now on the flip side, here we have a lot of resistances. So first resistance is 18,300. Probably this will be taken out in the next session. And the major resistance for this expiry is 18,500 with 66 lakh call open interest. So this means that 18,500 and 18,000 is the range for the current expiry. So only 2 days remaining in this expiry. So we should see expiry between 18,000 to 18,500. That's the wide range, but it can even happen that Nifty would expire between 18,300 to 500. So just remember these levels and act according to your analysis as well. Don't trust blindly on anyone's analysis, not even ours. So we just gave you the levels which can be potentially turning point for Nifty. So do hit the like button, do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.